मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे मेरी ज़मीं
जहाँ जाति भाषा से बढ़कर देश प्रेम की धारा है, निश्चल पावन प्रेम पुराना, वो भारत देश हमारा। I, Muskan Mittal,
and I, Chinmay Jaiswal,
wish a very pleasant and patriotic morning to one and all. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome our distinguished chief guest, Reverend Father C.R. Justy, our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Roshan T. Silva, our respected headmistress, Reverend Sister Jacinta, our respected teachers, and my dear friends. To acquaint us with the inspired personality of our chief guest, may I invite Titi. Please welcome her with a warm round of applause.
It is my privilege and honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father C.R. Justy, priest of Varanasi Diocese, who was ordained in 2007, 26 August 1975, born in Trichur, Kerala. Childhood and school studies in Trichy, Tamil Nadu. 13th April 2007, ordained in the Diocese of Varanasi. 2007 to 8, Assistant Parish Priest, Our Lady of the Rosy Church, Bajarpur, Balia, Varanasi Diocese. 2008 to 9, Program Coordinator, Social Worker, Purvanchal Grami Chetna Samiti, Balia, Varanasi Diocese. 2009 to 11, Vice Principal in St. Mary's School, Badohi, Varanasi Diocese. 2011 to 30, Studies, Postgraduate Diploma in Cinema, MSc in Mass Communication, Advertisement and Journalism, as Film Direction from Asian School of Media Studies, Noida affiliated to Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. 2013 to 24, Communication Department in charge, Navsadhana Regional Pastoral Center, Varanasi Diocese. 2024, July onwards, Administration in St. Francis Xavier Regional Ceremony at Madhpur, Agra. Written and directed more than 70 short and long stage plays, dance, dramas and documentaries. It is indeed an honor to have such a distinguished personality among us today.
Thank you, Preeti. Freedom is never given. It is earned through courage, sacrifice, and unwavering determination. With immense pride and patriotic fervor, I extend a heartfelt welcome to each one of you on the joyous occasion of the 18th Independence Day of our beloved nation, India. Today, we gather not merely to celebrate a date on the calendar, but to honor the spirit of freedom, unity, and patriotism. It is not merely a celebration of freedom. It is a celebration of hope, courage, and the dreams of millions who envisioned an independent India. On 15th August 1947, India broke the chains of colonial rule and stepped into a new era of liberty, equality, and democracy. Every year, the 15th of August reminds us of the countless sacrifices made by our brave freedom fighters. Their courage, determination, and unwavering love for the motherland gifted us the precious freedom that we proudly enjoy today.
Freedom is not a privilege, it is a responsibility. It inspires us to dream, to achieve, and to contribute towards building a stronger, kinder, and more auspicious India. Let us cherish our freedom by fulfilling our duties as responsible citizens. India is a land of rich traditions, vibrant cultures, diverse languages, and countless dreams. Though we are different in many ways, we are united by one identity. We are Indians. This unity in diversity is our greatest strength and our proudest heritage. As we celebrate this memorable occasion, let us remember that the future of our nation lies in our hands. Together, let us pledge to uphold the values of peace, respect, equality, and national unity, making our country proud in every possible way, with hearts full of gratitude and spirits soaring high. Let's begin today's Independence Day celebration with great enthusiasm and patriotic fervor. Jai Hind.
Moving forward, let's welcome our guest again. Here, I invite our school head boy, Master Dev Rawat, and our head girl, Ms. Divyanshi Yadav and Sir Rajat Yadav, to present saplings and cards to our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father C.R. Justice.
Thank you all.
The tricolor is not merely a flag. It is the symbol of our freedom, unity, courage, and the countless sacrifices. The flag represents our pride, our unity, and our determination. It reminds us that we are a part of something greater than ourselves, a nation with a glorious past and a promising future. Here, I request our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father C.R. Justice, our school principal, Reverend Father Roshan De Silva, our headmistress, Reverend Sister Jacinta, to kindly come forward and host our national flag.
I request all the students to kindly stand.
Thank you all. I request all the dignitaries to kindly be seated. I request all the students, those who are not in March past, to kindly be seated.
I invite Divyanshi Kaushik and Ritim Kumar to come forward and share their thoughts on the spirit of freedom and patriotism.
Freedom is a gift, a responsibility, and a promise. A very warm and patriotic good morning to our Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father C.R. Justice, respected Principal, Reverend Father Roshan De Silva, our Headmistress, Reverend Sister Jacinta, our esteemed teachers, and my beloved friends. Today is an auspicious day, and our hearts are filled with pride as we gather beneath the majestic tricolor to celebrate the 80th Independence Day of our beloved motherland, India. Our freedom fighters challenged themselves, sacrificed their lives that we could have a better today. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, one nation, one vision, one identity. No nation is perfect, it needs to be made perfect.
There are events in the life of a nation that are never forgotten. 15 August 1947 is one such historic event. On this day, after years of struggle, sacrifice and determination, India emerged as a free nation. Freedom did not come as a gift. It was earned through courage, sacrifice, and an unshakable faith in India. As APJ Abdul Kalam says, freedom is not just about independence, it is about self-discovery and self-realization.
In the words of Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, that is freedom. True freedom means having the wisdom to choose what is right. Every freedom comes with a duty. When we study sincerely, we build our future. When we respect our teachers and parents, we strengthen our values. And when we stand against dishonesty, bullying and injustice, we show true courage.
India's greatness begins with us. The India of tomorrow is sitting in our classrooms today. The doctors, teachers, scientists, soldiers, artists and leaders of tomorrow are among us. As APJ Abdul Kalam says, we should not give up and we should not allow problems to defeat us. Difficulties are part of life. They are there to prepare you, increase you and develop you. Hope this 80th Independence Day imprints a remarkable memory in our hearts and minds. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Ridham Kumar and Divyanshi Kaushik.
March past is all about synchronization and teamwork. Marching is a contingent that demands alertness and coordination. The drum beats roll, the band strike ups, and the high-pitched voice issues a command. The synchronized swing of arms and the thudding feet stir something within us. We are extremely glad to introduce the four houses, namely red, bulbul, green, seagull, yellow, scarlet, and blue, peacock.
All of you get ready to witness the discipline of our students as they march with pride and patriotism. So here the march past begins.
Look at the marching continues, creating their unity,
event was a fantastic display of discipline and teamwork.
As we celebrate our independence, let's remember the importance of physical fitness and discipline in our daily life. Let's start a PT competition.
Center school, Southern, West Ham, Southern, get ready for PT.
And creativity comes together. To celebrate the spirit of our nation, I invite Samad Kushwa to come forward, introduce the competition, share the guidelines and rules.
Inter-House Junior Solo Dance Competition. Category Classes 6 to 8. Before we begin, kindly note the following rules and guidelines. Theme Patriotic. 1 participant from each house. Time limit 2 minutes 30 seconds. Appropriate patriotic costume is compulsory. Props may be used only if safe and relevant. Maintain dignity throughout the performance. Participants will be identified only by chest number. Revealing house identity may lead to disqualification. Judge's decision will be final. Mixing of songs is not allowed. Participants must perform on a single patriotic song. Judging criteria: expression and stage confidence, rhythm and timing, creativity and choreography, costume and presentation, relevance to theme. With the rules announced, let the competition begin. I now invite participant with chest number 1.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितारा। राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से प्रेम आंखों से झलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। चाहिए।
पर एक बात सोच ले, धमाका करना जरूरी है क्या? 12 साल की उम्र में ही सोच लिया था आजादी के लिए कुछ भी करूंगा। 8 अप्रैल 1929 में हुआ एक धमाका।
दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। खून से खेलेंगे होली, कर वतन मुश्किल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है।
Now let's welcome chess number 4 to take the stage.
के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में
contest number 2 again to perform on the stage.
देखो 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 छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, भर भर मन गर्व से लहरा गया जब तिरंगा। देखो 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 छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा। जननी तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम। जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में, होठों पे तेरा नाम। जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है, आए तेरे काम। जागा जागा हिंदुस्तान है और जागे जागे हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है। जागा जागा हिंदुस्तान है और जागे जागे हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है।
ये बुलंद हिंदुस्तान है, सरहदें भुलाना भी जानती है और बचाना भी।
ये नौजवानों का देश है, तिरंगा लहराने भी जानता है और उसमें लिपटने भी।
आँखों में लेके हम तिरंगा जब है चलते, आँखों में पल पल कितने सपने हैं पलते। सपने ये है वतन के हर एक सपने को जगमगाना हम सिखा दे। सपने ये है कि खामोश होठों पे कोई तराना हम सिखा दे।
A huge round of applause for all our talented participants. Their enthusiasm, confidence and dedication have truly made this competition memorable.
Thank you, Samar.
From the darkness of oppression to the dawn of freedom, from division to unity, from struggle to strength, India's freedom was not won overnight. It was forged through countless sacrifices, unwavering determination, and the unshakable unity of millions. Though colonial rule sought to weaken our nation by sowing divisions, but the spirit of India remained undefeated, guided by the timeless wisdom of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Our nation emerged stronger, united in diversity, and bound by the ideas of peace, love, and brotherhood. Let us now immerse ourselves in a spectacular dance drama that brings this inspiring journey to life.
जहाँ पे मिट्टी भी सोना थी, भारत एक समृद्ध देश कहलाया जाता था। भारत की सभ्यता, परंपरा, धर्म और व्यापार पूरे विश्व में विख्यात था। परंतु कई विदेशी आक्रमणों ने भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था को निस्तेनाबूद कर दिया। लेकिन ये नया भारत है, वसुदेव कुटुंबकम, यानी वन वर्ल्ड वन फैमिली। ये भारत हाथ से हाथ भी मिलाता और आंख से आंख।
ये नया हिंदुस्तान, ये हिंदुस्तान भर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा।
चीर के निकल चुका मौका मिले तो
चाहिए न कोई और सहारा। मेरी दर्द चीर तेरी कोशिश होगा मैंने कभी ये दोबारा। शुरू किया तुम्हें मानती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए न कोई और सहारा।
ये देश है अलबेलों का, मत वाले यहाँ पे रहते हैं। मिट जाए जो तिरंगे पे जो जियारे यहाँ पे रहते हैं। दुनिया में सिर्फ हम ही हैं जो मुल्क को भारत माँ
Music has the power to unite hearts and inspire minds. Through their melodious voices, our participants will pay tribute to our nation and reflect the values of unity, courage, and national pride.
Now, I introduce the esteemed judges who will grace our inter-house musical competition with their expertise. Our chief guest, Reverend Father C.R. Justy, our school principal, Reverend Father Roshan P. Silva, and Ma'am Galvina.
We now move on to the inter-house group singing competition, a celebration of harmony, teamwork and patriotism. I invite Akshay to come forward, introduce the competition, share the guidelines and rules.
Inter-house senior group musical competition, senior category classes 7 to 12. Before we begin, kindly note the following rules and guidelines. Theme: Hindi patriotic songs. Instruments are permitted only if played by the participants themselves. Dress code: house uniforms are not allowed. Costumes are permitted. However, the use of additional props is strictly prohibited. Time limit 3 minutes. No prior warning bell will be given. A common backdrop will be provided for all groups. 8 microphones will be available for both singers and instruments. Evaluation criteria: harmony, rhythm, intonation and presentation. With the rules announced, let the competition begin. I now invite group with chess number 1 to present the first performance. I now invite group with chess number 2 to take the stage.
भारत हमको
The spotlight is yours. I welcome chess number 3. Without further delay, let's invite chess number 4 to take the stage and shine.
Sim sim pola pola sim sim pola, sim sim pola pola sim sim pola. Find that cute pendula pendula, drum drum cute simula simula. Oripaso, pamarisa, oripaso, pamarisa, oripaso pamarisa, oripaso pamarisa, dori 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 pama pama pama. Ye duniya ek dulhan, ye duniya ek dulhan dulhan ke baat ki
What a delightful display of talent, coordination and patriotic spirit. Let us give all our participating groups a thunderous round of applause for their outstanding performances.
Thank you, Akshay. Thank you, our respective judges. Karate is not just a martial art. It is a journey of courage, confidence and self-control. Our young performers are ready to showcase their skills through karate performance. That was a wonderful and powerful performance.
It is now time to recognize and honor the spirit of participation, teamwork and sportsmanship. I now invite our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father C.R. Justy, our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Roshan P. Silva, to kindly come forward and present the certificates and medals. I request Captain and Vice Captain to come forward and kindly receive the certificates and medals.
freedom from the struggle of yesterday to the responsibility of today. Respected Father Roshan, the principal, dear teachers, honored girls, parents and my dear friends, a very warm and proud, happy 80th Independence Day to all of you. Freedom means having the right to make choices, but also having the responsibility to make the right choice. When we celebrate Independence Day, we remember that our freedom came at a tremendous price. For nearly 2 centuries, India was under British rule. Our freedom fighters dreamed of an India where every person could live with dignity and self-respect. We remember Mahatma Gandhi, who taught the world the power of non-violence. We remember Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, whose courageous words inspired thousands. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Now let me ask the question something. What is the greatest freedom students enjoy? Some of you may say freedom from homework. Is it a good one? Freedom from homework. Some of say freedom from exams. Is it a better one? Some will say freedom from my parents. But unfortunately, my dear friends, Independence Day does not mean independence from homework. And there is one more funny thing. When the teacher says, children, you are free to choose your own topic, you become very excited. But when the teacher says, you are free to choose your own topic, but you must submit it tomorrow morning, suddenly our freedom disappears. So what is the lesson? Freedom without responsibility becomes chaos. We usually think freedom means I can whatever I want. But that's not true freedom. Suppose if I say, I am free to talk loudly during class, am I? No. Because my freedom to talk cannot destroy another student's freedom to learn. Suppose I say, I am free to use my mobile phone whenever I want. Am I? Not always. Because too much mobile phone use can destroy my freedom to concentrate and study and develop my skills. Suppose I say, I am free to insult my classmate. No. Because every human being has the right to dignity and respect. Therefore, freedom is not the freedom to do anything. Freedom is the freedom to do what is right. What does freedom mean inside our school? It means freedom to ask questions. Do not be afraid to say, sir, I don't understand. Ma'am, could you please explain it again? There is no shame in asking questions. In fact, one of the greatest scientists in history, Albert, once said, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Freedom also means allowing others to speak. If your friend gives you a wrong answer in class, don't laugh. Remember, today it may be your friend's wrong answer. Tomorrow it may be your own. Freedom means respecting teachers. Freedom means not bullying weaker students. Freedom means including the lonely side in your game. Freedom means sharing your life with someone who forgot theirs. Freedom means keeping your classroom clean. Freedom means not cheating in examination, and most importantly, freedom means having the courage to stand for what is right even when nobody is watching. Some children may say, what about the freedom at home? It's my life, my room, my phone, my choice. That we hear this sentence quite often. Right? Remember, freedom does not mean disrespecting our parents. The parent works hard for you. They sacrifice their comfort for your education, health and future. Real freedom at home means speaking respectfully parents, helping with household responsibilities, keeping your room clean, limiting unnecessary screen time, completing your studies without being reminded 10 times, taking care of your brothers and sisters, saying thank you, saying sorry when you make a mistake, listening when parents give good advice. And a child cannot control himself or herself is not truly free. If a mobile phone controls you, are you free? If anger controls you, are you free? If laziness controls you, are you free? If peer pressure controls you, are you free? No. The true free person is the person who can say, I control my choices My choices do not control me. Now, come to the some of the appreciation for all of you. As I reached from then on till now, there are various programs, Smart Path, then competition. I could see the discipline of you, all of you, especially I appreciate the principal and teachers and the program. All of them are very short and sweet. And Father exactly told me before 9:30 it will get over. And I see it is before 9:30 is getting over. So credit goes to Father Principal, teachers and all of you. It's very humid weather. I understand the problem, but still, you see all of you are very calm and quiet to listening what the person is saying. That shows you have great respect for each one of us, not only the chief guest, each one of you. So I am so happy to be here, and special thanks to Father Roshan inviting me to spend some time with you and learn from you. And I hope whatever you have, keep it. There are always room for correction and improvement. That you will do it, and I suppose the teachers, the principal, and all of you, the leaders. I see the great leaders standing here. Now today you may be with the same uniform, maybe different color color of the house, but the same uniform can be changed. Some of you will be wearing as a doctor, as a military officers, as a nurse, as a traffic police, as a even, why not, a prime minister. So I see a different uniform among you in future, but though it is now a common uniform. So all the best. Again, I wish from my bottom of heart, 80th Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you for contributing positively to our nation. As the program comes towards an end, we now invite Janvi Jadon to kindly come forward and present the vote of thanks.
Our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father C.R. Justy, our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Roshan De Silva, our Headmistress, Reverend Sister Jacinta, respected teachers, and all my dear students, a very pleasant morning to one and all. As we draw the curtains on this joyous celebration of our nation's independence, it is my proud privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks. On behalf of the entire St. Clair School family, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence and for sharing your inspiring thoughts. Your encouraging words have truly motivated us to uphold the values of patriotism, unity, and responsible citizenship. I express my sincere gratitude to our respected principal, Reverend Father Roshan De Silva, for their constant guidance, encouragement, and unwavering support in making this Independence Day celebration a memorable and meaningful occasion. Our heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Headmistress, Reverend Sister Jacinta, our respected teachers, non-teaching staff, and supporting staff, whose dedicated efforts behind the scenes ensured the smooth and successful execution of every segment of the celebration. A special word of appreciation goes to our respected judges for their time, fairness, and valuable assessment during the inter-house competitions. To all the participants, congratulations on your outstanding performances. Your enthusiasm, confidence, discipline, and love for our nation have made this celebration truly meaningful. Every one of you deserves appreciation for your sincere efforts. As we conclude today's celebration, let us carry forward the ideals of our freedom fighters by being responsible, compassionate, and dedicated citizens of our great nation. Once again, thank you all for making this Independence Day celebration a memorable one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Janvi. I request everyone to please stand in attention with pride and respect to sing Vande Mataram, our national song.
School, attention. Sterilities, attention.